Hey guys, Soccer from sakitech, and in today's video we have another batch of amazing wallpapers for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, and I'm talking about wallpapers just like the one you just saw. It is a fantastic wallpaper, so let's grab these wallpapers as soon as possible. Right now they're free. So to download the wallpapers, all you want to do is you want to click the link down below. Once you click the link, you're going to be at my website. Once you're at the website, they're listed as you can see, number 1, number 2, and the link is under each wallpaper. So all you do is you click the link, it takes you to the Galaxy store, and from there you can download them as soon as possible. Like I said, some of these guys are paid right now, so grab them as soon as possible. So the first one is the Galaxy wallpaper. As you can see, it is another gorgeous wallpaper. Okay, so that's that. Let's go back. That was number 1. Now I do want to make sure that you guys are using the internet app, which is this one. If you use the Chrome app, and if you click the link, it's going to take you to this site here, which doesn't make any sense. So make sure you use the internet browser to get these wallpapers. And here's what you can do to make sure that happens. Go to the settings, go down into apps, go to default apps, and make sure the browser app is Samsung Internet, otherwise it is not going to work. All right, so let's go back and get wallpaper number 2. Number 2 is the Tiger wallpaper. Again, you click that link, takes you to the store. You saw this in the very beginning, amazing wallpaper. I'm not going to show the whole thing, but you can download this as soon as possible as well. Let's go back to the internet, scroll down. The next one is Smoke Water Detail. Click on the link, opens up the store. Let's tap on free and tap on apply. Let's see what this one looks like. Love these smoke wallpapers. Gives you a beautiful effect, as you can see. Okay, so that's another one. Now one more wallpaper that happens to be my favorite is the Girl White Hair Beach wallpaper. Click the link, takes you to the store. Tap on apply, and let me show you what this one looks like. Look at that, absolutely beautiful, very well executed. All right. Looks like it's from some kind of game or something. Let me know down below if you think this is from some game that you know. Wallpaper number 5, Destroyed City. Click the link. Tap on download. Apply. All right, let's see what this one looks like on the lock screen. Absolutely beautiful. Another gorgeous wallpaper. Okay, so that's it. Any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.